Hi friends, I want to show you my new Belife Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's a really nice unit, it's a very new one. You get of course your instructions and installation information, okay? Okay, this is a helping sticker to drill the holes for the storage bracket. You get the basic accessories for a vacuum cleaner, okay? Show you. As you can see, you can move this farther if you want to small places, or like a brush accessory. This is the floor, one of the floor accessories, or for carpets or for your living room furniture or those kind of furnitures. This is the extension pole. This is the battery, okay? This is the storage bracket. This is where the holes will be made, as you can see. It has some accessories for installing it. Okay, it even has this brush to clean it. And let's see, this is the main unit. Okay. The battery goes here. Okay. Should come with some energy, as you can see. You can change the speed. It's really nice. Has more cleaning accessories here, another brush for another kind of surface, the charging cable, an extra filter. This is an extra filter. You just push it a little bit out here and you get it out. And you can even wash this underwater. You change it for a new filter. Of course, if you can wash it, it can last for a long time, but you get an extra one, okay? And the full floor accessory, okay? This is for carpet or hard floor. You can use it for both, okay? You can clean it if you open it here. So, well, this, as you can see, it's a really complete system. A lot of accessories, really it's not heavy, it's light, so you can use it really easily everywhere, okay? Perfect.